Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to add the control for the subtraction math auto-generated problems. Following on from the addition controls, what we're going to do, I'm just going to copy and paste all the controls we use for the addition and just change the properties. So I'll start with this first. I'll do a copy, paste, and just leave that there. I'll do that copy, paste. I'll do the same here, copy and paste, copy and paste. And just try and align them. This looks okay. That looks okay. That looks slightly okay. And that looks okay. Looks a bit aligned, but play around with them until it seems aligned for you. So now that we've got our labels, I just need to go in and change the properties. So I'll start with this one first. I'm gonna change this to reflect what the label does. So I'm going to call this minus left label because it's going to accommodate one of the auto-generated numbers for the minus problem. So it'll be minus left label. And then that's it. And this, we change the sign to a minus sign. Let's change the text property to reflect the minus sign. So I just change that and put a minus sign in there, and that should take care of that. Let's move on to the next label. This I'm going to call the minus right label. So where it's got the name, I just change that to minus right label. All right. And for this numeric up down, I'm going to call it difference, because minus basically is the difference when you take one number from another. So that's basically it for the subtraction controls. So that it's called minus left label. That's called the minus sign. That's called the minus right label. That's called, what did I call that one? Oh, I've not labeled that one. So let's change that. All right. So we have to change this to equal sign 2. We've got an equal sign already, so we'll call this one equal sign 2. This one here is called equal sign. Oops, I clicked onto the code. Let's go back into design. This one I've called equal sign, so this I've called equal sign 2, so they don't conflict. You can't name two labels with the same name on the same form. It will create a conflict. So that's it for this lecture. We have added the controls for the subtraction auto-generated numbers. In our next lecture, we'll be adding the controls for the multiplication auto-generated numbers. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.